What's going on? Aaron Chen here. Welcome to my video. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to talk a little bit more about how to monetize your email list. So if you've been building an email list but you don't really know how to make proper money from it, then that's exactly what you're going to learn in this video. If this is the first time you're watching one of my videos, hey there, how's it going? My name is Aaron Chen. I've been building businesses now for the last 10 years. So what I do on this channel is I teach people how to be more profitable in their online business. So consider subscribing by clicking the link below. Also, anytime you want, in the description box right below this video, you can get access to my 4-day affiliate marketing training that will literally teach you how to build a 6-figure business, how I've done it, and you can literally just copy, completely up to you. Okay, so let's get started on this video today. Now, what we're going to talk about is how to monetize your email list. We're going to talk about some list building strategies, and let's get going, right? So maybe you've started collecting emails. Okay, now understand that when you build an online business, it's very, very important to collect email addresses. Okay, now if you're not collecting email addresses, then you definitely want to start by doing that, and it's very simple. All you need to do is you need to build something called a capture page. And with that capture page, all you need to do is you need to link it to your autoresponder, okay, plus your autoresponder, and there's many different autoresponders. There's Aweber, there's GetResponse, Infusionsoft, ConvertKit. All you need to do is just Google what are the best autoresponders, and they've got tons of tutorials that will teach you how to link your capture page to your autoresponder. Okay, and again, anytime you want to check out any resources, I've got all the resources that I use to build my business right in the description box. You can check it out if you want. All right, completely up to you. Now, this is not going to be a training on how to actually capture those emails, right? Because you're here to learn how to monetize your list. That's the most important thing. So this is generally the problem, right? So the problem that most people have is they might have a list of, let's just say, 10,000 subscribers, right? Which they've kind of built up over time through their email marketing. So they're driving traffic from lots of different sources online: Facebook banner ads, pay-per-click marketing, solo ads, email drops, whatever it is. And they've built up maybe 10,000 email subscribers, and they're emailing these people, but they're not buying their stuff. Okay, so the question is how do you monetize your email list, right? Because this is a big problem. I mean, if you're paying, let's just say GetResponse $150, $145 a month to store a database of 10,000 subscribers, but you're not really making money from them, then you're spending more money than you're earning every single month, right? And so I'm going to teach you a couple of tricks today, okay, that you can implement, and you can start, generating and monetizing your list really, really well. So there are a couple of rules, okay? So I'm going to say rule number 1, all right? So let's actually bring this down a little bit. Let's talk about the rules, okay? So these are the rules of the game, okay? Rule number 1 is, oops, sorry about that, okay. Here are the rules with list building, okay? Rule number 1 is that your traffic must be congruent to your offers, okay? So if you are promoting offers via email to your list, your traffic has to be congruent with your offers. That means that if you are in the weight loss niche, that means you've been driving a lot of weight loss traffic, right? So maybe on Facebook or maybe on YouTube, you're talking to the weight loss audience, right? So that's your audience. They're overweight people that want to get in shape, right? So you've been talking to this audience the whole time. You bring them onto your list, and instead of selling them a weight loss offer, you start selling them a make money offer, okay? There's a massive disconnect, okay? Now, if there is a disconnect, the people on your list are not going to buy your offers. So it's very, very important. The first thing that you need to understand is everything in online marketing, internet marketing, has to be congruent, okay? So if it's not congruent, you're not going to make any money, all right? So that's very, very important, okay? So let's just say your traffic is congruent with your offers, then that's not really a problem, okay? So the next rule, okay, is that you should not sell to your list every day. Well, okay, so this one is debatable, okay? It depends who you're following. Some people say you should email your list like 3 times a day. Some people email the list 5 times a day. Just smash them out, bang them out, right? And if people don't like your stuff, they're gonna unsubscribe, right? But in my experience, after marketing online for 10 years, what I've found is that if you email your list every single day, okay, and you're emailing them crap, what's gonna happen is 2 things. They're gonna unsubscribe, or they're just gonna ignore you. And when they ignore you, that's even worse, because it means that your open rates and your click-through rates and your engagement on your emails are gonna be really, really bad, okay? And if it's really bad, your autoresponder system is not gonna like you, because basically you're sending out all these emails, but the response rate, the engagement rate is very, very low, okay? So there are a couple of things here. This is two parts, right? So I generally don't email my list every day. I'll email them every 2, 3, 4 days maybe, right? Less often. But when I do email them, okay, you must email valuable content, not just sell, okay? That's super important, right? And so a lot of internet marketers out there will teach you, okay, get someone on your list and sell. Literally all you do is you send them an email and you say, hey, listen, you opted in for this make money offer, why don't you go and buy the product here? And then you lead them straight to the offer. That's what a lot of people are teaching, other internet marketers, affiliate marketers online on how to do that, right? This is a massive mistake. Don't do it, okay? Because it's literally like, a car salesman trying to sell you the same car over and over again, right? What happens? Well, you're gonna get sick of this car salesman, right? And what you're gonna do is you're gonna walk out of that lot. You're gonna walk out of that shop and you're gonna go to another, a car dealer where they're a lot nicer, right? And so the best kind of car dealers are the guys that, want to find out a little bit about your needs. So instead of selling you straight away, they ask you a lot of questions. They try and build a relationship with you, right? So they might ask you stuff like, so, tell me, what kind of car are you looking for? Why are you looking for a car? Do you have a family? Is there a particular color you like, right? What's your budget? Are you looking for a sports car? Are you looking for an SUV? Are you looking to carry kids? Do you have children? Do you have to drop them at football practice all the time? Are you looking to take them on trips, road trips, excursions, right? Are you single? Lots and lots of questions, and they try and get to know you better. And in fact, what a lot of really, really smart car sales people do is they will leave you and go to the office and then come back and see you again multiple times during that one session, okay? And the reason why they do that is because this is a sales strategy on leaving and seeing the customer again. And what happens is that builds familiarity with your car salesman. Okay, you might not know this, right? This is a cool little sales trick that a lot of the really good car sales people do, because the more familiar you are with your car salesman, the more likely that you're going to trust them and the more likely that you're going to buy from them. Does that make sense, right? Now, online marketing is exactly the same thing. People rarely buy from you the first time, okay? And that's what people think. They think, okay, I'm going to drive really, really good traffic to a really, really good offer and people are going to buy straight away. But why would they? They don't know who you are. They don't trust you. There's so much crap online these days that people are very, very wary. They're very scared of, getting scammed, right? So they're not going to buy from you straight away, okay? What they do is they buy from the people that they know, like, and trust, right? And how do you get them to know, like, and trust you? Well, you have to build value, okay? And you don't do that by selling. Does that make sense, right? If you're just selling all the time, sell, then what's going to happen is you will never build trust with your potential prospects. So instead, what you want to do is you want to send valuable content, okay? And that valuable content could be in it could be in email format, it could be in your blog, you could make YouTube videos, you could do webinars, you could do YouTube streams, you could do Facebook Lives. There are lots of different ways to build value with your potential prospects. All you do is you teach them something, okay? So I do something called STT, all right? STT is share, train, teach, okay? That's all you need to do. Just share, train, and teach your prospects, and they're gonna get to know, like, and trust you. And when they know, like, and trust you, they start to, love you, and then they'll buy the stuff that you recommend. That's how it works, okay? So your traffic must be congruent. You must not sell to your list every day. Sell, every 2 or 3 days. That's my personal recommendation. And every time you do sell to them, quote unquote sell to them, you must email them valuable content, not just sell the same offer over and over again, right? Make sure you create a buffer in between, through a blog article or through a video or through a webinar, and then lead them back to your offer, if that makes sense, okay? So this is how you monetize. Number 4, do not sell tons and tons of different products, okay? So, a lot of affiliate marketers think, okay, I'm gonna get a lot of people on my list, and then I'm gonna find like a whole bunch of offers, maybe like 50 offers, and I'm gonna email them a different offer every single day, okay? Now, if you do that, you're gonna confuse your list, Okay, your customer who has no idea how to do the things that you're trying to teach them. So let's just say they're, you're teaching someone to lose weight, right? If you're selling them a different weight loss offer every single day, they're gonna get confused, man. They're just gonna be like, well, which one do I buy? Do I buy Formula X or do I buy Formula Z? Do I go with the paleo diet or do I go with, this, this fat diet or whatever it is? They're gonna get confused, right? So you're not supposed to sell them different offers all the time. What you want to do is you want to pick a couple, okay? 1, 2, 3 really, really solid offers, right? And you want to keep selling those offers over and over again, because what happens is that people will start to get used to seeing those offers. But your job as a marketer is you need to sort of demonstrate them or show them in different angles, right? And you do that by creating valuable content, okay? So when you take a different angle to selling something, maybe you do a webinar or you do a Facebook Live and you're talking about something else, at the end, you're still selling the same thing. It's just the way you sold it was different, all right? The big mistake that a lot of affiliate marketers make online is they sell the same thing using the same sales page over and over and over again. And that's why people don't buy their stuff, because they weren't convinced on the sales page the first time. So what makes you think they're going to buy it the second or third time, right? And you're not adding any value. You're literally just slamming them over the head. So they don't want to buy from you because you're a greasy salesperson. Does that make sense, right? So you want to practice pull marketing, not push marketing, okay? So do not sell tons and tons of different products. You want to sell the same few products all the time, okay? To create consistency. Okay, and then I would say sell good products, okay? And this is a big one, right? So I know this might sound really silly, but a lot of internet marketers, affiliate marketers out there, they sell crap, they sell garbage, right? And when you sell garbage, what happens is it affects your refund rates, right? Because someone will buy and then they notice, they're like, oh man, Bob Smith sold me this shitty product, I'm gonna refund, okay? Now when they refund, they will never buy from you again. Think about that, right? Because if somebody recommended me a product online and I finally, ponied up my credit card, my money, and I bought that product, but it was a crap product, I'm never buying from that marketer again because they recommended me a crappy product. Does that make sense? But if you sell them something really good, something that they can get value from, something that they can learn from, they can, get closer to the goal that they're trying to solve, right? The problem they're trying to solve, they're going to respect you, they're going to like you, and they're going to want to buy whatever you recommend from them, whatever you recommend in the future, right? So make sure you sell good products. Now, where do you find good products? Well, listen, there are a lot of affiliate marketplaces out there, ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, 4% Network. There are lots of different places, okay? A lot of these places don't sell very good products. So, again, it depends. Like, I like to sell products from other marketers, other marketers that have taken the time to craft really, really good products. They're really good value. They're slightly more expensive, but you get what you pay for, right? If you're paying $17 for a product, you're gonna get a $17 worth product, if that makes sense, right? Now, $17 is not that much money, okay? Now you might think that you don't have $17. Well, if you don't have $17, then you need to go out there and get a job, okay, and save up, because you can't build an internet marketing business on no income, right? But if you think about it, $17 is nothing for really, really good content, which is why a lot of the good products cost a little bit more money, okay? Again, I'm just trying to educate you on how it really works online. And let me see. So these are the general rules around how to monetize your email list, okay? So let me see. Your traffic must be congruent to your offer. You should not sell to your list every day. Every 2 or 3 days is best. You must email valuable content. Don't just sell. You do not want to sell lots of different products. You want to focus on just a few very, very good products. Make sure you sell good products, not crap products. Okay? And this is the last one. Be consistent. Okay, that's very important. So in order for you to monetize your list, your email list properly, right? What you want to do is you want to email consistently, okay? Because sometimes people will email every day for a month and then you don't email for like 6 months. Well, as soon as you stop emailing people, they forget about you. They don't know who you are anymore, right? People have very short-term memory. They might be opted into 50 other marketers' email lists. So again, it's very, very important for you to be consistent, okay? So that the people remember who you are, continue to add lots of value to people's lives. And listen, these are the rules. These are the 6 rules that will help you to monetize your email list, and these are really the email, the rules around really good list building. Okay, and then of course, you want to make sure that you're generating a lot of traffic, and you're constantly communicating with your list, and you're doing it in a very cool way, if that makes sense. Okay, so listen, let me know if you enjoyed that video. If you can, let me know in the comments box below, what do you think of the strategy, right? That's the question of the day. What did you think of the strategy today, and what are some of the strategies that you're using to monetize your email list? If you enjoyed this video, would appreciate some thumbs ups, guys. And listen, if you want to learn how to do this stuff step by step, literally over the shoulder, step by step, I want to teach you how to do it. All you need to do is click on the link right below this video, okay? And when you click that link, it'll lead you to my website, enter your best email address, and I will send you a 4-day training program where it will teach you all this stuff on how to build out a really powerful affiliate marketing business. If you want to make your online business more profitable, that's what you're going to get from there, okay? All the best. Take care. Good luck in your business. Remember, always take action. Never give up. You can do it. I'll speak to you soon.